Okay, good evening. Okay, this week is week number 34, 2024. The day is 19th of August, 2024. It is around 4:43 p.m. in the evening. Let's do our analysis together. Okay, this week we have two major big item will be coming out, which is on the later part of the week. So please be aware of that, and you should not be taking so much position or fall into the market movement, because the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday there's not much item will be moving on. All right, only start from the Thursday earlier in the morning. We have a FOMC meeting minutes. And we will be also having Federal Reserve Chairman Powell will be speaking on Friday. And we also have a Jackson Hole meetup on the weekend as well. So I think the later part of the week is going to be the major one, in my opinion. So whatever really happened on the earlier part of the week, please do not get carried away. All right. This is very important. So we will need to watch up on the meeting minutes to get a clue on the rate high or rate cut, this kind of stuff. All right, most likely will be the rate cut. Okay, talking about rate cut, right? We will be having a Federal Reserve rate decision on 18th of September. So it's actually it's quite a little bit far away. It's almost like 1 month away to go. All right. And we will be having the rate decision by then. And as of right now, I mean, currently, right, our rate is somewhere around 5.25. So the expectation is around they are expecting they will cut by 25%, 25 basis point BPS, right? Is a percentage is around 71%. So it's a lot of people are expecting that the Federal Reserve is going to do the rate cut by September. I personally think so as well. All right, so let's see how it goes. All right, so these are the expectation. And okay, let's take a look on the individual pairs together. All right, so let's start with the British pound. As you can see from the screen, the left screen is a CFD, and the right screen is going to be the future. All right, so let me load up the future data for the British pound. Okay, for this week of British pound, right? Okay, like I said, I am expecting, right? I think the market will do a bit of a reversal by middle of the week. That means, for example, Monday to Wednesday, they will go into certain direction, and I think it's by only to be, to another opposite direction by later part of the week. So this will be like a two-part kind of like in this week. So, so in what I'm trying to say here is that, for example, currently, right, market is going into going out further and further. I'm a little bit skeptical. All right, of course, can I prove it or not? Of course, market is not yet able to show it. Otherwise, I think what's gonna happen is market will do a little bit of going up further. I mean, they will do a little bit of stop hunting. People like to call it liquidity grabbing. So that they will do this kind of stuff during when there's not much news coming out, in my opinion. So market may likely to go up like for example, like 1.297. Which I already projected already, right? 1.297 or even 1.30 region, in my opinion, before they swing right back down. Okay, so I'm expecting market will likely to sort of like swing right back down, likely, in my opinion. We have to be take it a little bit like we have to patient on it. All right. And moreover, for British pound, our retail numbers are rather quite extreme already, which is minus 86%. So, the retail traders are, as the market go up higher, retail trader were holding their short position, or rather they are adding their short position, and until they are almost, stop out soon already, because, minus 86%, which is quite a huge number, right? So I think we have more reason for us to expect the at least a minor swing back down soon. Okay, so I will not be going long on this guy yet. But shall we short or not? Of course, we haven't seen the price action yet as well. So I will just monitor for now. And expectedly, I think the market will start to show up the true color or true movement by later part of the week. Okay, so let's see how it's go. So as of right now, I'm slightly bullish toward 1.30 first. I'm monitoring closely. All right. So next one is Euro USD. All right, Euro USD also pretty much similar as well. Euro USD, look at the retail number, also very much similar. They are using this Monday. Today is Monday, right? They're using this Monday to really what we call it, like moving the market without any big major news and events, which is quite looks like a liquidity grabbing to me. So it's like a stop hunting, liquidity grabbing to me. So we may be seeing some pullback coming on the later part of the week as well. So same story here. Okay, so I'll be watching it very closely as well. As of right now, I'm not bad. I'm not selling. All right, so I just want to see how it's behave when they gel up with this announcement, which is the meeting minutes, and of course when the Federal Reserve Chairman start to speak. Okay, so it's good to pay attention as well. So this on the euro as well. So I'm expecting maybe further movement to the upside, but we may turn back down soon. So are we seeing a turning back down yet? Of course, not yet, right? So I will just stand aside and wait it out for now. Wait and monitor. Okay, let's jump into Aussie is nothing really much. Let's jump into New Zealand, right? Aussie and New Zealand are roughly the same. Okay. So New Zealand also very similar. It's a Monday, right? So you see they use a Monday to really push their market and try to eat up as much stop loss as possible. And you can see here, right, the market, like use the Monday to really push up, and it's a little bit pulling right back down already. If you look at it quite closely, look deeper. I just want to show you. You see, last time, which day was it? On the 14th of August, right? You can see there was a top is here, right? So you see, if you notice, today the market really go one or two tick above the top itself. So I think that was a very typical stop hunt mode, right? So they hunt the stop. So whoever sell here, whoever even sell here, and put the stop loss in the in the normal area, got stop out ready, right? So I think sooner or later what's gonna happen is I think they're gonna in a few days time they're gonna do roll over, in my opinion. So I'll be watching it very closely. It is touching some resistance now. Should you short now or not? It's the same story here. I think it's too early to say. But this is what I am expecting might happen. Let's say if didn't happen, market go all the way up. What do we do? Of course, what we do is at least we don't take a short position. Okay, and we have to wait out for the good setups to appear. All right, so I'm just waiting for that to potentially appear soon. Okay, so another one is Go. Go is slightly different. Okay, Go is slightly different. Okay, I think the last Friday we have a very good push up on Go. Hang on. Okay, we have a very nice push up on Go, and they really all-time high, right? It was Go never been to 2,500 level before, and it is already all-time high. I think it might have a bit more strength to go further, in my opinion. As of right now, right, you can see from the volume reading, right? You can see from the future market, right? You see there was quite a bit of buying coming in somewhere around here and somewhere around here. Okay, just to give an example, yeah. Look at the nearest one. It is on 5th of August, right? 5th of August should be somewhere here. So it's somewhere around here. So you can see here from the 5th of August, right? From here, what you can see is that the market seems to be very being supported. So I would say it's around 2380. That would be a very good support region, in my opinion. So put it this way, I think Go is going to go a lot higher, and I don't really think market will go below 2380 anytime soon. Okay, so I think it is better to stay on the buy side. Wait and buy will be the better choice, in my opinion. Let's say if you don't really want to chase, right? Okay, you say I don't want to chase. Markets go up already. Okay, you can do that as well. I think you will wait at the support level to buy will be the better, better opportunity, in my opinion. Okay, one of the level being like 2480, another is around 2460, 2450 region. Okay, so go have a bit of I think in the, like, for example, like in the medium or longer term, 3 months and above, I think Go is likely to go a lot higher. Okay, so Go stay on the buy side. You can choose not to follow immediately and wait and buy as also you can do that. All right. Okay, another one is silver. Silver is also quite favorable. All right, actually silver is we can even say better than gold per se. All right, silver has been really been pressed for quite a while already. You can see they have came down from the height around since last July, right? I think now silver is really going right back up, in my opinion. So if you ask gold and silver, which one look better? I would say silver look a little bit even better on the upside for now. All right. So I think we have a bit more bullish potential, in my opinion. You can choose not to follow immediately, but wait and buy might be the better choice here. So gold and silver, I have covered like British pound lah, euro lah, New Zealand, and gold and silver, right? Actually, if you really want to buy anything against US dollar, I mean, any names in the front and you want to do anything against US dollar, you may want to look into gold or silver. Okay. Don't go along British pound, don't go along euro, this kind of stuff. Okay. So I think gold and silver is a little bit favorable on the further upsides, in my opinion. Okay. Then another one is US dollar, Japanese yen. All right. Okay, US dollar, Japanese yen, we have a very big sell down recently, and we have a bit of push to the upside as well. So as of right now, what is happening right now is the market is using the Monday to really do some stop hunting, in my opinion. I think what is happening right now, they are just, after a big sell down, they're just going bounce around, in my opinion. They may not be ready to go all the way down as well. All right, so I am a bit more neutral tone at this moment. Okay, you can see they have a very nice Monday sort of like sell down. Hopefully market will start to recover and do some bounce back, in my opinion. So it's like a US dollar, Japanese yen. I'm standing a bit on the neutral kind of condition at this moment. So I'm monitoring this closely. All right. Okay. Then on US market. Okay, I will post. As you know, I posted up this in in the YouTube as well. Of course, please like, subscribe, and give a comment. And in the comment, right, if there's any counter or any particular instrument that you want me to take a look and I didn't cover, please feel free to write so. Okay, I will cover it in my next week onwards and stuff like that. Okay, US market. US market is obviously we are in the dead cat bounce in the making. All right, the market is we have a very big sell down recently. All right, then after that, what really happened was the market really just go back to very good support region. So how do we know it's a very good support region? You can see there's a lot of supports are really waiting around here. So market just, go back to this box of support region. That's all. So market just pull back. Now they are bouncing back. So I think what they are happening right now is very similar to a dead cat bounce as well. So we have to watch out whether they can overtake the previous high or not. And let's see how it's go. All right, let's see how it goes. So it's they already tried one time already. Okay, they tried to break one time already. And I think sooner or later they will try again. All right. So I'm expecting somewhere later part of the year, I think the market will likely to go back down, in my opinion. So as of right now, let the market swing a little bit higher if they want to, right? They can go up to this kind of 40800 or stuff like that. All right. So I'm watching it very closely as well. I expect market to sooner or later will roll over soon, in my opinion. Because so the question here is how they roll over, right? Will they go roll over just like that, or they will go like this? So scenario one, scenario two, or they go a little bit further and they go scenario three. So of course, nobody can say, one or two or three with such a, accuracy, right? But likely that is eventually will go back down. All right. So we have to watch out like an employment rate, this kind of stuff. Okay. As of right now, a little bit bullish toward here. Like a 40800, this kind of stuff. Okay. All right. And last but not least, I would like to cover BitCoin at this moment. All right. Bitcoin is really, really being tricky here. Market really came back down and they are being really like, being pressed upon. Like, so what is happening is a little bit like a dead cat bounce also. Right, you see, market, if they go down, then they really go down, you see. So you see what they're happening right now is they couldn't manage to break the previous high at this moment. This is a little bit worrying actually. All right, this is a little bit worrying things that we need to watch upon. Okay, so I'm watching it just very closely. Let's see how it's go. You can see they didn't manage to break this level, and you see whenever they go to some like a swing level, they come up with a lot of pin showing up here. Of course, they also have a pin on the downside, but they have a more pin on the upside, in my opinion. So this is to kind of like give us the information that whenever the price really try to go up, they have a very strong push comeback in as well. So it's like we need to be very careful. Right, we need to be very careful. I think we may have a bit of problem trying to break it up higher, in my opinion. So I think for until the foreseeable future, all right, I think what the Bitcoin trader should do is that don't try to take a very big position, or try to invest so much on the Bitcoin and hoping the market will go up a lot, because I would say we are not seeing so strong bullish trend at this moment. Okay, you can also can can see here, you can see here, we are in the, basically we are in the sort of like a control downtrend per se. Can you see that? So, unless they manage to break like to 65 to 70 again, then we can say that this channel is no longer active, right? So actually Bitcoin is kind of going in the like a like a descending channel like that. So please be very careful as well. I will play a swing. I mean buy at the support, sell at the resistance, this kind of stuff. But I will not be investing so much money into the crypto in general to expecting, market will go up a lot higher in 2 years time, 3 years times like that. Okay. Make it like use it as a trading mechanism or trading instrument only. Okay. So guys, thank you very much. Let me do the recap a little bit. All right. So market, as you know, is Monday, right? Try not to follow the current trend just like that, because the real and the bigger news will be coming out on Wednesday nights onward. So, anything can change by then. All right. So I won't be giving any like a trade call or anything at this moment. I am still monitoring. Okay. I will do my best. I think by Thursday morning, I will post up the midweek analysis. I think by then we will have a clearer picture. I hope we will have a clearer picture by then. Okay. So guys, thank you very much. I will upload this video in YouTube. Yeah, please like, subscribe, and help me share the video as well. And yeah, have a great week ahead. Bye for now. Thank you.